Friends, welcome back to Learn AI, and in this video I'm going to quickly show you how to upgrade your account on ColoringBook AI. So once you get started for free, you have 4 credits and you can quickly use up those 4 credits with 2 generations. So as you can see, I've done one before. You can see I have only 2 credits remaining and I've just generated this Lamborghini here so I can color it myself or give it to my son or whatever, right? Now to upgrade, all you have to do is look to the upper right hand side and you'll find upgrade plan, or on the lower left hand side you will see upgrade plan. You can click there and it's going to take you over to the page where you have those different plans. Now to get started, guys, you have the option to, if you want to pay yearly, you can get it for $6.99 per month as a starter plan, and you can see the hobby, the professional, and the business plan. If you decide to go on a month by month basis, it's a slightly more expensive but still manageable, and what you get is it's a no-brainer. Really amazing stuff here. So for $10 per month, you can get up to 100 pages to generate, and I'm sure that's more than what your kid can basically color for the month, right? Now if you're talking about business, look how much you actually get. Still quite a lot, right? So it's really quite a lot of pages you can do for the business account and then for the professional account. Now all you have to do once you select the one that you want is to simply click on subscribe, and it's going to take you over to the page where you just need to fill in your card details and so forth, and you will be able to basically pay and subscribe. And that's it. You can pay with your card, you can pay with your cash app, and you can also do bank. And that's all there is to it. Go ahead and choose what you want to pay and you'll be able to pay for your subscription. But that's it, guys.